Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Today I am going to start chapter 7, nervous system in humans. So let's start the chapter. In the previous classes, you have learned about different organ system of the human body and the functions performed by each of them. All the organs of your body depend on each other to perform a function. Hence, the activities that occur inside your body require a proper coordination between these organs. For example, when you have food, your nose smells the food, your eyes help to locate the food, your hands bring the food to the mouth, and the jaw, muscles and teeth chew and masticate the food, and the saliva lubricates and initiates the process of digestion. So all these activities occur in a coordinated manner. The organ system that brings about coordination and the integration of different body activities is called nervous system. So what is nervous system? All these body performances are activated or coordinated by the nervous system. Means the organ system that brings about coordination and the इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट बॉडी एक्टिविटीज. इंटीग्रेशन मतलब एक सिस्टम दूसरे सिस्टम के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है और ये जो कोऑर्डिनेशन होता है दैट इज द इंटीग्रेटेड सिस्टम, whereas different body activities is performed by the coordination of different organ system. These body activities is the controlled or coordinated by the nervous system. It is a complex network of nerves that carry message to and from the brain and spinal cord to various parts of the body. Most responses of the body to the outside world and the functioning of various systems are controlled by the nervous system. In class 7, you have learned about the main parts of the nervous system, namely the brain, spinal cord and nerves. In this chapter, you will learn about the nervous system in human beings in details. So let's start the chapter. Neuron or nerve cell. A neuron or nerve cell is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system. So as per building block of our body, that is cell, whereas the nervous system is consist of either a neuron or nerve cell, whereas nerve cell act as a building block or basic structural or functional unit of nervous system. It is the longest cell in the body. So इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. It is the longest cell in human body. So in case of body, सबसे बड़ा सेल कौन सा है? Nerve cell. Messages are received and transmitted to the parts of the body through the neurons. The human brain is estimated to have about 100 billion neurons. So normally brain में total कितना neurons होगा? 100 billion neurons. इसके नीचे भी दाग लगाना. As because your question will be MCQ type. So जो पोर्शन हम इंपॉर्टेंट हिसाब से दाग लगा रहा है उस पोर्शन को बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान में रख के ही पढ़ना. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूरॉन. ए न्यूरॉन हैज 3 पार्ट्स: सेल बॉडी, एक्सॉन एंड डेंड्राइट्स. द सेल बॉडी कॉल्ड साइटोन contains the nucleus. Look at the figure. That is the cell body and there is a developed nucleus. Many soft fibers called dendrons arises from the cell body. Look at the figure. ये साइटोन से बहुत ज्यादा फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन बाहर निकल के आया है. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? डेंड्रॉन्स. They further divided to form dendrites, whereas dendron divided into many thin branches. These are called dendrites. Dendrites receive messages from the other neuron. So what is the function of dendrites? Basically, dendrites receive the message from other neurons. A single long fiber called axon extends from the other side of the cell body. It is covered by a sheet called myelin sheet. So from the cytosol, whereas a thread-like structure is arises and it stretches up to the next neuron. It is also known as axon, and axon is covered by a thin sheet that is known as myelin sheet. Axon is the most important part of the neuron. It carries messages from the cell body of one neuron to another. So whereas action play as an important role because it collect the messages from one neuron to another. Messages travel along the nerve cell in the form of a wave of chemical disturbance called an impulse. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. So normally message travel along through nervous cell in the form of a wave. उस वेव को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Impulse. So what is impulse? Impulse is a electrical wave as a form of message travel through the nerve cell. An impulse is like an electrical signal. Next, synapse. All of you know what is synapse. Synapse, the gap between two neurons. Look at the figure. एक न्यूरॉन यहाँ पे शुरू हो रहा है, दूसरा न्यूरॉन खत्म हो रहा है. So this junctional place is also known as synapse. Neurons do not come in the direct contact with each other. They communicate with one another via synapse, wherein the action terminal of one neuron lies very close to the dendrites of another neuron. So synapse हम किसको बोलेंगे? Synapse is a junctional place where the action का जो last portion है it come closer to the dendrites of another neuron. This place is also known as synapse. A synapse is a junction where the communication between two neurons occurs. So इसके नीचे भी दाग लगाना. So what is the function of synapse? Synapse as a act as a junctional place where two neurons are meet together. Nerves, cell or neurons are joined end to end forming a nerve. मतलब एक नर्व दूसरा नर्व के साथ ऐसे ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर में ज्वाइन होता है. A nerve consists of a cord-like structure with a number of nerve fibers bundled together like the strand of telephone cable. So look at the figure. ऐसे ही एक नर्व दूसरे नर्व के साथ नर्व फाइबर के हिसाब से ज्वाइन होता है as per telephone cable. Types of nerves. There are three kinds of nerves depending upon the direction in which they transmit an impulse. Sensory nerves. These are the nerves that carry messages from the sense organ to either the spinal cord or the brain. So what is the function of sensory nerve? Sensory nerve collect the message from sense organ and carry to the either spinal cord or brain. They contain only sensory fiber. For example, the optic nerves that send messages from the eye to the brain is sensory nerve. Next, motor nerves. These nerves carry messages in the form of response from the brain or spinal cord to the other parts of the body such as the muscles and gland. They contain only motor fibers. For example, nerves arising from the brain leading to the muscles of the eyeball are motor nerves. So normally जो nerves brain और spinal cord से message carry करके particular muscles और gland में लेके जाता है as per response. These muscles are also known as motor nerves, basically found in the eyeballs. Normally eyeballs का जो muscle है act as a motor nerves. Next, mixed nerves. These nerves perform the function of both sensory nerves as well as motor nerves. They transmit electrical impulses from the central nervous system to the muscles of the body. So mixed nerve matlab these nerves actually act as either sensory as well as motor nerves. They transmit electrical impulses from the central nervous system to the muscles of the body. They contain both sensory and motor fiber. For example, the nerve that transmit message to the tongue is mixed nerve. Based on the place of where arise, nerves are three types. So based on the place from where they arise, कहाँ से normally nerves arise हो रहा है उसके ऊपर depend करके normally nerve three types का होता है. Cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Sorry, not only three types, that is two types. Cranial nerves and spinal nerves. So cranial nerves means these nerves arises from the brain and richest organ in the head region. So normally जो nerves brain से rise होता है और brain के अंदर ही मतलब normally head region में रह जाता है, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, cranial nerves. The number is very important. The number of cranial nerves, that is 12 pairs. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves in the body. Whereas spinal nerves, these nerves arises from the spinal cord and reaches various parts of the body. These are 31 pairs of spinal nerves in the body. So these two portions are very important. So what is the condition? Based on the place from where they arise, मतलब कहाँ से राइज हो रहा है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करके ये नर्व दो टाइप का होता है. क्रेनियल नर्व मतलब जो नर्व्स नॉर्मली ब्रेन से राइज होता है और हेड रीजन में ही रह जाता है, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे क्रेनियल नर्व. द नंबर ऑफ क्रेनियल नर्व्स इज 12 पेयर्स. व्हेयरएज स्पाइनल नर्व्स मतलब जो नर्व्स स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से राइज होने के बाद पूरा बॉडी में फैल जाता है, उसको हम बोलेंगे स्पाइनल नर्व्स. The number of the spinal nerves are 31 pairs. So student, hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.